Hey, thanks for watching today. We want to go over the new Pride Mobility scooter here. This is the new Endurance LI. Basically, this is very similar to the GoGo LX with CTS suspension. But what they have done is a couple features that are really nice. This is one of our most popular selling chairs that we have in store and online. They have added a 25-pound weight capacity more to this, so it goes from 300 standard to 325, and you get a lithium battery with options of either 8 amp or 16 amp. So you're going to get a lot more life on your battery. You're going to get a really light battery pack, and I'll show you that just in a moment. But this is a really nice four-wheel scooter. It only comes in four-wheel right now, so you've got a great little device that you can do a lot of things in, go a lot longer distance than you can on your standard scooters. And that's what Pride was looking for, was to have something that was really popular in their line that they could add to and just give a little bit more battery life for some of the people that go further distances. As you'll see here, this is the matte red is what they call this here, the color. You can also get it, it comes standard in the gray here as well. So those are your two options. They're both a sharp looking color. They really do stand out. This mobility scooter does come apart. So real simple, take seat off just like this, okay? You do have seat options. I think there is a 20 by 18 seat option as well as this standard 17 by 17. What's nice here though, this is probably the biggest key, is this battery pack. You'll see, that's it. This battery pack is extremely lightweight. Still have the charging piece right here, your fuse right there. Everything's set up just the same way, but this battery pack is extremely lightweight. I mean, I can pick it up with my pinky. So nice little system there. Again, this disassembles. Take it up, set it down. This will fold down. You can also take the basket off if you need. And then this is your heaviest portion here. But it drops the weight from, I think it's 93 overall pounds. I've got a few specs I was going to read off here so everybody would have it. Your overall length is 42 inches. What's nice also is the width is only 20.5. So you don't have to worry about door frames or anything like that. You're going to be able to get through any door frame. Your turning radius on this four wheel is 48 and a quarter. You have your front tires are 8 inches as well as your back tires are 8 inches as far as that goes. And what I wanted to show here, the heaviest piece, is the one piece I just picked up. 40.75 pounds is the front section. Okay, so very easy to deal with. You do have a lithium battery charger that comes standard with it. So you're gonna have that as well. Lifetime warranty on the frame, electronics, drive motor, and batteries are 2 years. But what you'll get is a lot more battery life out of this scooter. I think it's up to 300% longer battery life cycle than your standard amp batteries with the lithium batteries here. So it's a nice feature to have. You're gonna get a little bit faster charging time and just the lightweight part of it. I mean, that's the selling point of this. You're making it chair just that much lighter, and it's very easy to use. Still got all the different options that you may need. If you want accessories, you can get that, whether it's a cane holder, a basket, stuff like that. The seat is just like all the other seats on Pride. But again, a really nice device, easy to use. You can get this at All-Star Medical on our website, allstarmedicalllc.com. You can also call us at 615-730-9438. If you're liking our videos, please subscribe to us, and we appreciate your time today. Have a great day.